welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mariah Ghost, also known as Glam Gal on Instagram, and today I created this look that you're seeing right here using the DesixKaty Friendcation palette. I'm absolutely obsessed. I did try out a new foundation in today's video and I am absolutely loving it, so if you guys want to see how it applies and like how I got this whole look and everything, then go ahead and just keep on watching.
Okay, so we're just gonna go into voiceover, and I definitely didn't record the beginning, but I'm just putting necessary all throughout my crease just as a transition, and then taking churro and kind of making it like a wing out. I don't want it to be a complete wing. Blech, I can't talk, but I do want it to kind of have a curve. Then I'm just going in with cheens and just darkening it up. I'm going in with these lashes. These are my favorites right now. They're from Kiss and they're called Teddy. I'm just prepping my skin with the MAC Skin Base and going on with this Lancome foundation. I had a sample of it from the Lancome girl at my work, and I am loving it. That was just a picture of the foundation because, you know. And then taking my Makeup Revolution concealer, which I haven't used in a really long time. I'm using the shade C7, and I actually really liked how it turned out. Just baking my face, and I'm really bad at recording, so I'm just going underneath my lower lash line with cheens, and now just contouring my nose. And then highlighting it. This has been my favorite highlighter. This is Whisper of Guilt by MAC. Lip lining my lips with Nude Truffle from NYX, and filling it in with a Mauve Story from the Dose of Colors DesixKaty collection, and then topping it off with Cream Pie from the MAC X Patrick Star.
This literally has been my like go-to neutral look since I've gotten this palette. I love the DesixKaty palette so much. I think that it's so pretty. Like, oh my gosh. Colors definitely are something that you might have in your collection, or if you've gotten your hands on the DesixKaty palette. I think that this is like just really pretty. So yeah, this video, that's it. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me just fix myself. So that's it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe before you guys go, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!